What to do when Netflix is not working on TV? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss some of the steps on what we can do if the Netflix application is not working on our TV. So if the Netflix app is not working on our TV, first of all, we're going to just head over to settings here. Once we head over to settings, we're simply going to go to this option known as apps and then go to see all apps and then simply select Netflix from the list over here. Once you go to Netflix, first of all go to storage, and then once you go to storage use, click on the clear cache option and then also make sure to clear the data. Now remember that clearing the data will log you out of your Netflix account, so make sure that you go ahead and then remember your details. After you do this, you simply want to head over to your Play Store on your TV. And when you go to Play Store on your TV, check if the Netflix app has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update the Netflix app to the latest version as well. This way you should be able to fix if the Netflix application is not working on your TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.